If we want to use satellite navigation as a support resource for VFR flights, we have to set it correctly and we have to know how to use it. Every pilot has their own preferences when it comes to the information displayed on the satellite navigation screen. Pilot planning a VFR cross-country flight will probably use different information than an aviator enjoying the evening landscape. Sometimes we will be interested in details about the estimated time of arrival at the destination and the time of sunset, so we have enough time to set off on the return journey. In a headwind, GPS can help with estimated en route time to the destination and the estimated fuel consumption. We should learn how to set up the data fields that we actually need. There is no room for unnecessary information on the display. Beware of the units. If we have the speed scale in kilometers per hour, there is no point in using a GPS set to knots. The same goes for measuring distance. The most common choice will be between nautical miles and kilometers. A great aid is the heading line in front of the plane that displays on a map where the plane will be in 3 or 5 minutes. It assists us in determining the proper moment to ask for clearance to enter the CTR or when to start a descent. The line length can be adjusted to the needs of the pilot. Many pilots use the reminder to switch fuel tanks. It is advisable to check that the interval is correctly configured and the features turned on. Otherwise, we might be surprised after flying for several hours without switching the tanks. We should also check that the map displays the types of airspace up to the altitudes we are not going to exceed. It is usually practical to set the display so it is identical to the mandatory paper chart, and then to activate the display for VFR or IFR points and the radio navigation aids as needs be. Also, we should choose the map scale on the display, the zoom, which best suits the en route flight, and another for the approach to the airport. Chaotic use of all the available scales does not contribute to situational awareness. In addition, the elements underlying the map can be fine-tuned for the preferred scales. There is a lot of discussion on the topic of map alignment. Some pilots swear by aligning the map in the direction of flight. Others prefer a north-up or change the settings according to the type of flight. During frequent changes in direction or circling, the map being aligned with the flight direction may not be the ideal option. If you have your own GPS, tune its settings so that they best suit your needs. If you share your GPS with other pilots, write a list of critical settings and check them prior to the first flight. If the device allows a personal profile to be set up, use it. This will avoid unpleasant surprises.